Good morning to all. My name is Shravani Arjungi. I am from KRSRS Karjor. I am studying in 9th standard. Now I am going to explain the topic called Surya Namaskara. This is guided by our nursing officer Chandrakala ma'am. Now we are going to know what is Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara means saluting the sun. Practicing one time Surya Namaskara is equal to doing 12 asanas. It is very beneficial to us other than so many asanas. Now I am going to tell the benefits of Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara is very beneficial to us. It strengthens the muscles. It improves the blood circulation. It improves the skin complexion. It improves the digestion. It improves the blood circulation. It strengthens our body.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಾಸನ, ಹಸ್ತ ಉತ್ತನಾಸನ, ಪಾದಹಸ್ತಾಸನ, ಅಶ್ವಸಂಚಲನಾಸನ, ದಂಡಾಸನ, ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಭುಜಂಗಾಸನ, ಪರ್ವತಾಸನ, ಅಶ್ವಸಂಚಲನಾಸನ, ಹಸ್ತಪಾದಾಸನ, ಹಸ್ತ ಉತ್ತನಾಸನ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಾಸನ.
This is practical of this Surya Namaskara. Thank you, Anand.